Welcome to Gear Speed Hub, your go-to destination for detailed reviews and insights on the latest cars, bikes, scooters, and even powerful farming machines. Today, we're diving into the 2025 STEYR 4120 multi-tractor, a strong and smart option for modern farmers looking for a perfect balance of performance, technology, and comfort. The 2025 STEYR 4120 Multi comes equipped with a robust 3.4-liter four-cylinder FPT Stage 5 diesel engine. This powerful engine delivers around 117 horsepower, offering enough strength for most demanding field tasks. Whether you are plowing, towing, or operating heavy implements, this tractor won't let you down. The torque levels are also impressive, giving you solid pulling power even at lower speeds. It features a 32x32 powershift transmission, making gear changes smoother and more efficient. This transmission system adapts easily to various field and road conditions, providing flexibility to the operator. With four-wheel drive as standard, the tractor delivers exceptional traction, especially useful when working in slippery or uneven terrain. In terms of hydraulics, the STEYR 4120 Multi is well equipped. It has a high-capacity hydraulic pump that can push up to 100 liters per minute. This ensures that even the most demanding hydraulic tools and equipment work seamlessly. The rear lift capacity is up to 4,700 kilograms, which means it can handle a wide range of attachments with ease. It also supports multiple PTO speeds including 540, 540E, 1000, and 1000E, offering more compatibility for different types of machinery. This tractor is not just about raw power, it's also designed with user comfort in mind. The cabin is fully air-conditioned and laid out with ergonomic controls, ensuring the operator stays comfortable during long hours in the field. A suspended front axle and air-cushioned seat further reduce vibration and fatigue. The 12 LED work lights and a wide-angle front wiper with 200-degree sweep help maintain visibility during low light or rainy conditions. The build of the STEYR 4120 Multi is compact yet solid. It weighs around 4.45 tons, with an overall length of approximately 4.2 meters. The height stands at 2.74 meters, and the width is around 2.1 meters. Ground clearance is adequate for most fieldwork, making it easy to maneuver without damaging crops. On the safety front, the tractor includes hydraulic and air brakes for trailers, which greatly enhances its braking performance during transport. Power steering makes handling easier, and the 12-volt electrical system supports modern tools and accessories that you might need during operations. Manufactured in St. Valentin, Austria, the STEYR 4120 Multi reflects European quality standards. Depending on configuration and features, its price may vary. For instance, some versions of this tractor have been listed at prices close to €129,600 in European markets, showing it's a premium product for serious users. The 2025 STEYR 4120 Multi is a great all-rounder tractor that suits various farming needs. It blends powerful performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a worthy investment for farmers seeking a dependable machine for long-term use. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Gear Speed Hub for more updates and reviews on the latest vehicles and machinery from all over the world.
You could try to play